Eileen Gu, alternatively known as Gu Ailing, is a Chinese-American freestyle skier in half-pipe, slopestyle and big air events. She was born on September 3, 2003 in San Francisco, California, United States. Eileen became the inaugural gold medalist, winning in the big air event at the 2022 Winter Olympics. She was already guaranteed a medal before her final run of 94.5 took Gu in front of Tess Ledeux of France, who took silver. In 2021, Gu became the first woman to land a forward double cork 1440. She was born to an American father and a Chinese mother. Her mother Gu Yan moved to the US from China as a student in her 20s, enrolling at Auburn University and Rockefeller University. Eileen Gu participated at the FIS Freestyle Ski and Snowboarding World Championships 2021, winning 2 gold medals in free ski halfpipe and free ski slopestyle. Gu became the first free skier to win 2 golds at the FIS Free Ski World Championship. She also won a bronze medal in free ski big air. She was also injured at the event with a broken hand. Gu wrote in her personal Sina Weibo page on 1 March 2021 that she had been recognized as a candidate for the US Presidential Scholars Program as a January 2021 nominee from San Francisco University High School. She was not ultimately awarded the scholarship and graduated early from secondary school.